Good morning, guys. How are you? We start with the live sessions again. I will be entering, I hope so, every morning to see what we can expect. Let me see everything. Is everything okay with the audio, with the video? I think yes. So let's wait a few more minutes and we will start to see what we can expect from today. We can also observe the other currencies if you would like to. We had some news in the weekend, on the weekend, so I expected that today probably the gold will go up because there were some war news about Israel, and also there were some cyber attacks on Windows or something like that, that I thought it will lead to some spikes in the market, but it didn't happen like that. So we will see what probably we can expect now. Let me just open my window because it's hot here, and we will start. So I have some suggestions for today, but of course let's start from a daily time frame. We are not going to rush because it's still early. Okay, so I made some back tests. So you can see on a daily time frame we have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 red candles. This is super bearish, breaking. No, it didn't break the previous bottom here, but reaches this bottom right here, which is like a swing area. You can see if we make it like that, this is strong level. First time we had a rejection, then the price breaks it and test it again. So now the price is here. Let me see. Okay, there is a gap, so there is a high possibility that the price return to fulfill the gap first. You can see beautiful example of double top trend reversing figure. It actually fulfilled the whole profit. Oh, this is 4 hours. Excuse me. Okay, on a daily time frame, huge engulfing. It's not engulfing, but huge bar. So the bias is absolutely bearish for now. Excuse me. Okay, RSI is in the middle. The price, yeah, reaches some area of rejections here. On 4 hour, it's better to look at. As we thought, sound coming low. It's actually, the volume is to the maximum. I don't know why, guys. I will try to speak closer to the mic, but okay. So huge bearish impulse, trend reversal figure. So probably now we can make some, let's say, a Fibonacci on the impulse, and probably eventually we can see some returning here. I will tell you why, but first there is a gap, and after that to see some retracement, probably not at once, but let me make it, excuse me, let me make it like that, something like that. which will make the RSI also here, and probably some divergency, and to see new bearish impulse. Of course, we will see, but for now, of course, we are trading what we are seeing. So we have a trend reversing figure and a new bearish impulse breaking this low here and reaching the swing area. So first possibility is now the price to make another low, but I think that probably it will just fulfill the gap. We will go to the lower time frames to see. I guess that there is some bottom here from the Asian session from this morning, that the price may grab as a liquidity and then to start to go up. Let me check the DXY. Okay, DXY breaks some previous bottoms and actually reaches, yes, probably some zone again, because there are many rejections in this area. But also that I draw some trend line here, probably it breaks and now it may returns to test something like that. Also there is here, but this is not good trend line, of course. This is just to see, I draw it just to see if there is any logic in this. Okay, GXY is not telling us much right now. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah. No. Probably trend line is like that. Now the price may return to fulfill the gap, and you have to know that if the price returns to fulfill the gap, it will probably go up, I think. But the RSI formed a divergence here. Also, there is a probable breakout, but this is too small correction. I actually don't like it. On Friday, we saw a very good rejection here on this candle, breaking this bottom and reaching this candle right here, and a good rejection, but the price didn't break it, but still looks like there is no huge volumes, so we're not going to rush to make anything. Again, you can see how these zones works. Excuse me. Let's see, first the price reaches here, then breaks it, returns to test. Now the price is again here, so these levels are very very important. Let me check the DXY. These trend lines are on the smaller time frames, but I don't know, still not sure, because the idea is that probably the gold will start to go up, but it first may test again this area right here, because let me go on the smaller time frames again. Yeah, it would, I think it will reach the trend line first, and from there we might see some breakouts here and to enter buy positions. But first, I think if we enter now, it will be early because down to here there are 50 pips, almost 50 pips, and the stop should be, of course, on the bottom. So it's too big. I don't want to rush. On 5 minute, on Friday, the price created something like an order block here and fulfill it, then returns again. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comments. Also, hit one like, subscribe, so we can reach more people. That is my expectations for now, as I told you. And for today, let me check if there are some news. Some news for the euro. Okay, let me put it on the screen. Existing home sales. Wednesday. We're looking only for the news for the dollar. S&P Global, not very interesting news. New home sales, crude oils. Okay, so probably this news at 5 will have some impact on the market, but I don't think gold is bullish like you rightly said. Okay, I'm looking at the comments. It's gonna first fill the gap. Yeah, I don't want to rush. Now, I think it might, let me just show you. It might even break the trend line as a fake out and then returns to test. So I don't want to rush. I wish to wait to see here in this area. It may just touch the trend line, or it may reach the it may just touch the gap, or it may return to the trend line. And if we see some good rejection, we will jump into a trade. And we even can use shallow stop, I mean something like 30-40 pips under the rejection, not under the bottoms, because it will be too big. But if you don't want to risk, this is the better option, to put the stop loss under the whole area here, because that will be better. Okay, let me return until something happen. Let me return to the news. Thursday, GDP, durable goods, initial jobless claims. Okay, Thursday there will be impacts on the market from the news. Expectations are for bearish for the dollar, so yeah, bearish. This one is bullish. We'll see. Probably. Yeah, and Friday we have many news, many different news, so yeah, it will probably be very volatile in Friday. Okay, so Thursday and Friday there will be volatility, there will be some impactful news. Until Wednesday, I think the market will be not so aggressive, but of course we will see. Now some huge volume. I'm looking at euro and GBP to dollar. They are also in some area, but for now they don't look like they are rejecting. Okay, here I draw something, but it didn't happen. Okay, British pound and euro to Japanese yen are going down. Most of the times they're in opposite correlation with gold, so when they're going down, gold starts to go up. It's not 100% necessary, of course, but we'll see. This here is something like a liquidity zone. You can see first, second time, third time and didn't break it. So I think that first the price will break this area, then probably will return to test. Of course, we will see. If the price breaks it, we are not going to buy, of course. But if we see a rejection, of course, the best way is to wait for some rejection and a breakout here on the trend line. But we will see. We will see whether some volumes will kick in or is there a problem with the sound or what? Now it's really important also for the dollar not to break out here. If it breaks out, it's not a good indication. Also, you can see that gold GXY already fulfilled the gap. So let's see whether we are going to see a rejection or the price will break the area. Okay, it started to get a rejection. Okay, GXY is also falling. Guys, we're going to wait for the candle to close. If you want to buy, it's risky still because it may, in the last minute until closing, it may return down and the whole idea to fall apart. So we have to wait for the candle to close, and probably the trade will look something like first take profit on the tops here, which is almost 100 pips. Very good. But the stop, I suggest that it's better to be big, but if you want, you can make it. The one possibility is to risk it to be something like here under this area. But I think something like that will be good, at least to this bottom right here. Okay, very, very nice rejection, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nostradamus is in a row. I told you, if you decide to enter, it's still risky. We want to see the candle to close. This is actually 9 a.m. candle. It's very good, guys. The rejection is very good. Let's wait for the candle to close and we will make probably on 2398, something like that. We'll make the stop. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Do you like it? Do you like the setup? I think it's rejecting very well. but let's see. What do you think? Should we jump into buy? Okay, let's go. Now, it's really important the price to break this trend line here, eventually to make a test, and to see what is going to happen. You can see good rejection. The GXY is also rejecting. I think the whole setup is, as someone write in the comment, valid. Of course, we will see what the market will bring us today, whether it will trick us or come on, motherfucker. Let's do this. We'll see. We want to see a breakout on this trend line on 5 minutes. If we see a breakout, it will be good also. The other thing that I was observing is this bottom on the from the Asian session. So the market opens here. Yeah, probably this was the Asian session low. So the price returns to grab it as a liquidity to fulfill the gap, get a rejection from this trend line, and now I hope to see a breakout on the upper side. We'll see about it. Guys, is my camera gone or no? No, I think it's good. Yeah. What? No, Christian. Okay, strong bearish candle, it closed it already. GXY is falling. I can see the camera, okay. I hope that the price didn't reach these volumes here first before starts to go up. We'll see. But GXY is falling very aggressive and the gold is not moving. That's why I told you it's better if we put the stop loss under the bottoms, but these are 50 pips more. In this case, if we extend the stop loss, we have to wait for some huge profits up here eventually on the, as we saw on the Fibonacci levels. Which is way up. Trade logic, you're asking why we enter a buy here, or hmm. I hate Mondays like that. I hate London session like that. The price starts to go perfectly, and of course now starts to go in the other direction. Of course. And the GXY is falling, of course. But the gold it starts to break out now. Which is not very good because it will close with the breakout. Okay, I can see in MetaTrader there is some gap right here. Okay. Oh, I like it. I like the goat, yeah, of course. It's best when there is logic in the movements. I don't know. We can extend the stop loss, but it's already breakout. It already made a breakout, so I don't think it will do anything in our favor if we extend the stop loss right now. Okay, it reaches this candle right here. As I told you on MetaTrader, there is some gap here. We'll see how this. Oh no, there are some huge bearish volumes. You can see, guys, this is part of the stupid manipulations that gold made. Good rejection with huge candle. You can see the volumes that kick in, and after that they push the price down. Now I again we can extend the stop loss, but I don't know whether, because you can see they're like pumping it down. I want to see how the candle will close on 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll make some decisions. But if it now gets a rejection, it still can be a valid setup, but we'll see, because GXY is absolutely the GXY was pushing down, the gold was not moving. Now the GXY starts to go up, gold also. We'll see. We are still in the game until the candle closes. If it closes with a whole candle, I think it will be actually better if we get out of the trade, because there is no point of waiting it to hit our stop loss. But now, if it rejects and get up like it is and closes like that, I think it's still valid setup, and we can actually add, if it closes like that, we can try to add one more buy actually. But of course I will not write this in the group. This will be for the live. I will jump into one more buy to see what will happen. Come on, motherfucker. Break out the trend line. Come on, go up. guys, now if this turns in our favor, let's see. If it makes a breakout, it may take a return to test, because here it will create something like an order book again. It may return to test. We will probably move the stop loss if it makes 20, 30, 40 pips. I don't know. But it may return to test. It may break the tops. It may return to test, and the next stop, excuse me, stupid candle. The next stop could be, as we speak earlier, on the Fibonacci levels here. Where is the where is this? Okay. Even here on, let's say, this green candle or this gap on 4 hour, you can see it here probably, but it's early, it's still early. Let's see a breakout and we are going to talk about this, because this is way too far. This may take days to fulfill. Come on. Let me check other currencies. Okay, these two are falling. Euro to US dollar, British pound to US dollar. Looks like there is no buying pressure, but we'll see. What time frame? This is 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Guys, most of the times when I am, let's say, on live, or I upload some video and someone asking for the time frame and is writing TF, and first thing that comes in my mind is, what the fuck is you're doing? But then I saw it on the terminology of trading. Come on, make our Monday good. No buying pressure, guys, but let's wait, see. Of course, there is other possibility as well. This top at 430 is also, as I told you, a liquidity, this area here. So there is a possibility that the price breaks it, and if the whole bias is still bearish, to continue to fall. But we will see. For now, the market is slow. We will wait a little bit. but I would love to see it at least coming up to here, because it started to go very bad in the beginning, but now it looks like it is rejecting again, so we'll see. Go up. Should we pray or should we swear? What should we do? Tell me, guys. Okay, we're 15-16 pips under our first entry. Still absolutely no volume, good volume. Okay. There is a possibility to close very well on 30 minutes, but let's see what it will decide to do in the last minute and a half before closing. I told you there is still not a good buying pressure. I still believe in bullish bias. What report supports bullish bias for the week and monthly? We'll see. We have to be patient. And of course, guys, you have to know that there is about 50-50 possibility swear. Yeah, that's my favorite, but I will not do it loudly because YouTube may report me. It closed very still looks like they are pushing it down. Oh. It's still in the zone and on the trend line, no matter that it breaks it. The only thing that worries me is if the price makes like this to hit the stop loss and then to start to go up. This will really makes me angry. But I don't like doing this extension of the stop loss, because if the bias is bearish, it will just leave us with huge losses, and I don't like doing this. Because as you know, most of the times problems of the traders is that they are rushing to collect profits but not rushing to close, and even are willing to wait and extend the stop loss even if it looks bad. This is part of the psychology. Come on, man. Break this trend line. Break it for me. Make our Monday good. Guys, the volumes are pretty bearish right now. Yeah, I'm right, but now the price starts to go down. Damn. The market is, I don't want to swear, but probably it's still not ready. Guys, you have to know that I'm still bullish about today. I don't think that the price will just continue to fall. I don't know why. I know why, but I think that it will not continue to fall. I will stay into this trade no matter that it's not looking well, and probably I rushed a little bit because I was adjusting the trend line like that on the most of the rejections, but it probably is just like that. But we are going to see. Also, GXY is falling good. It already fulfilled the gap, but there is no good buying pressure for now for this gold. Of course, we are 20 pips from the entry. But I really wish to see it break out, and from there it will be good, guys. It will be. But until then, it's not going to be good. Come on, come on. Breakout. Let the volume kick in. Give it to me, motherfucker. It's a little bit boring now because the market is slow, but I hope to see it. Guys, you have to know that if it returns to the trend line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, so probably it will. Okay, I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to wait to see some volumes. How can I don't know what you're meaning about with thought report, but you can write me in Telegram on private, and if it's good, I can upload it in the group. So if you want, write me in Telegram. Okay. It didn't make a breakout for now. What currency pair? This is gold to US dollar. Oh, it's not visible. Why didn't you tell me, guys? Let me adjust it. Oh my god, I didn't saw that. That's why I'm asking you, is everything okay? I didn't saw that one. Sorry. Breakout. Breakout. Don't return. 15 more seconds. Come on. Don't return, motherfucker. Yeah. Fucker. Okay. Okay, guys. We are 5 pips from the entry. Come on, motherfucker. Give it to me. Okay, now it's really important to see a breakout and everything will be good. Guys, did you enter a second trade? Because I did it, and I'm not going to show you my account, but you can see I'm already on profit. So now I want to see a breakout. I want to see a breakout, and I did. Yes, I did. Good for you. Let us hope that the price will now see some volumes, breakout, some test probably, and to see 100 pips, and let's go. This is gold to US dollar. Let's see GXY. Okay. I will make like that with an alarm to hope to see the alarm. Don't do like that. Because this is like a double bottom if you see it. 1, 2, and this is the neckline. So now in the next 45 seconds, if this candle closes above here, it is a good sign that probably the price will make at least look, guys, I am like, let's see whether it will break. Still no good volumes, I hope, but I think that we might not see it. Okay, now it can act, as I told you, the profit on double bottom is right here, so we can grab the liquidity here. It may return to test, of course, if it break out, and then to see it. So probably we are not going to move the stop loss, to rush to move the stop loss. We'll see. And now, guys, I'm already one. Okay, I'm not going to talk. Let this break out the trend line, and I'm going to talk then. Guys, man, this is gold to US dollar. Gold to US dollar. It is written on the right, on the left up corner. Gold to US dollar. Okay. Guys, even if I close now, I'm $1,100 from profit already. We just now I'm still bullish, guys. I'm still bullish. You can see, oh, what a rejection, guys. Let's wait. I was thinking if the people who are entering second time closes some profits, but I think it will break out. I think it will break out, so let's not rush. If you're entering the live now, better wait to see a breakout and then enter the trade. The difference is less than 10 pips, so because now if the price gets a rejection, it will not be very good, of course, but if it breaks out, it will be like a confirmation, so wait a little bit. Did you hear that? Come on, breakout. Let me see something. Okay, we might be witnessing a breakout here and a test of this trend line. So if the GXY starts to go down, probably the gold will go up. But of course, it will not happen fast and it will make us sweat here. Because we were almost, what, 50 pips on loss until the price returned to the entry. So now I really wish to see a breakout test and all day to see an upper movement for the price, at least now, to break these tops. After that, we will see what will happen in the New York, but I really wish to see that for now. Because most of the times, guys, market works like that. It doesn't make this huge fall, which is 600 pips and more, probably 700 pips, and a retracement of just 100 pips and to continue to fall. Not that it's not happening, but most of the times when there is such a huge fall and it is only 2 days fall, end of the week, it probably the price will make some side movement or some retracement. It may not be deep retracement until these areas, but at least couple of days probably the market will move sideways, and eventually then if some news kick in, it will probably continue down or it will go up. It will make these movements in some direction, but for now I think that that it will be bullish. But today I think until the New York bias, until the New York session, the bias is bullish. That's my prediction, and that's what I'm trading on. Of course, we will see. Market is pretty much unpredictable most of the time, so we will see what we can get. It's getting a rejection for now, but we still let's wait to see what will happen. But I think the 1 hour candle is good. So of course let's see how it will close, but for now on 15 minutes it's getting a rejection. Don't do it like that. Don't do it like that. It's not closing very well on 5 minutes, guys. Stupid market. Yeah. They started to push it again. Yeah, I hate like that when it happens like that. Oh, this will make me sweat all day, guys. All day. All morning, okay, all morning. me observe it on the smaller time frames. What will you do? The XY starts to go up. Now even on 1 hour is closing more like a doji, not like a pin bar, which is not really good. Guys, you have to film me the emotions of a trader when it goes in your direction. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. When it starts to go back and come on, return. I don't know, guys. To just continue to fall. Not that it's not possible. No. It looks like there are still some bearish volumes that kick in. Ah. Yeah. Guys, When should we look for sell? If eventually it closes with a whole candle, probably some test here, but I don't know. I don't like it for selling now because of this huge impulse and this small retracement, or I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think that it's good for sell right now. I really wish now the 10 a.m. in my country, the whole hour candle to starts to go up, but it looks like that the volumes are still bearish, guys. That's the truth. We'll see until the price breaks the trend line good with whole candle on the 5-15 minute. The price is still in the zone, but oh, I don't know. Yeah, this will trick us, guys. Probably. I can tell you, guys, that in the last couple of weeks, the market is absolutely awful. There is some transition in the market, of course. It happens from time to time, but this is bad market. Yeah, now it starts to break out. I don't know, guys, whether is a good idea to sell now. I don't know. It might just go to grab a liquidity here. But it looks like it will continue to fall, guys. Very stupid market. Okay, guys, this looks like it will continue to go up. I think that you should at least get out of the second entries before when they are on 10 pips loss, because it looks like it will go down. The problem is that now I don't think that it is good idea for me to sell, guys. So it will probably go to check the volumes here. Yeah, yeah, you can see this candle. I'm not optimistic right now. I was here, but now I'm not optimistic about this trade. Probably. This will stay under the trend line, guys. If it stays under the trend line, it will probably goes down. It will continue to goes down. As I told you, awful market, awful market. Absolutely bullish, and at this moment it will continue to go down. The only possible thing now from where the price is being rejected is this order book, but I don't believe this is the case. I just think this is it's testing the trend line. So yeah. Ah, guys, we got fucked up. Probably. Can I still buy? No, 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 no. It's not for buying. anymore. I still, from my experience, don't see it go down, but of course everything is possible. Everything is possible. There is an order book now because the price breaks these tops. Still more selling pressure. Still more selling pressure. That's the truth. Could this order book on 1 minute be our hope? I don't know. Probably no. Oh. Guys, today the live session will be very long, hour and a half from now, but you can see that the price didn't started to go in our favor. There is still hope because it makes an order book which is like entry with confirmation, because on 15 minutes it didn't break the trend line. So this is part of, again, of the manipulations. And now if we see a breakout, I will be one of the happiest men alive. But I'm not optimistic anymore. You can see this is a pure example that trading is not frustrating at all. Oh. How did I get into trading? I don't know, guys. Guys, which one of you entered the second trade? You should be on profit already again. Now we hope to see 15 pips more. 15 pips more. Just to see a breakout. If you do it with this candle, it will be best. Because this means that some volumes will kick in. Come on, man. Do it. Guys, 10 pips more. 10 pips more. Give it to me, motherfucker. Come on. Make 10 pips more. Make 10 pips more and close like that. One more. Breakout. Ah. Okay, no problem. Yeah, guys, if you want to secure some profits, it's not... it's up to you. I hope that so many rejections on this trend line will make it weak and eventually it will break out. Of course, it's risky because it might not happen, but I don't know, so many rejections makes the trend line weaker. Do it, man. Do it. Make 20 pips. 15. 15 pips. Guys, I'm laughing, but it's not funny. There are real money and not small amounts that are put into this, but I believe that now it will break the trend line and it will make our Monday great. Make our Monday great again. Like, oh, no power to break the trend line. I'm watching it on 1 minute on my other screen. Why you do this to me? Just break out. Just break out and give us 40, 50 pips. Come on, come on. 2 minutes. Ah. this shit. Oh, today the market is super bad. There is no volume, guys, to break this. Oh, okay, I'm not going to swear. To break this trend line. Of course. Why not? Okay. This is funny, guys. This is funny. So many tests on this trend line and the price couldn't break it. This is not only funny but stupid. I can tell you, if you entered sell on every rejection on the trend line, it would it would have break it far from now. But of course, when we are buying, it will get rejected every single time. I actually want to end this live already because I get a little bit annoyed, but I want to see a breakout first. When I see the breakout, I will be ready to end the live. Until then, I am like a captain of the ship. I will sink with my trade if it hits the stop loss. But if it breaks, I will go to get myself a coffee. Because if it breaks, guys, we are going to swimming in money, in profits. Come on. So many trend lines, so many rejections. Break it already. Look at this. It's already 10:30 in my country, which means that some volumes have to kick in already. DXY starts to fall down. Gold don't want to break the trend line. Okay, what time frame are you analyzing from, sir? I start from daily, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. This is 5 minutes. I love how real you are. Guys, I try to be transparent as I can. I enter the trade also with you, so I'm losing or winning with you. So this is not a financial advice. I'm showing you what I'm doing. And of course, I'm real because I experience it in the moment. I also want to break out and to collect some profits. You are indeed a genuine trader, player of the game. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I do this not only to show that you can actually make something out of trading, but because this actually helps me also, because you can see all these emotions. Of course, I'm doing this for you to be interesting, because I'm almost 2 hours and there are 40-50 people. I was about to tell 40-50 pips. 40-50 people who are staying with me for these 2 hours, which is absolutely amazing. So I try to be interesting, but it's really frustrating because so many rejections, guys. I think that now is the moment that the price will break this stupid, I am not going to swear, trend line and give us some profits, some good profits, because I'm already on profit. Let me check. Yeah, I'm on less than 10 pips. Not anymore. I don't know, guys, if you have entered. I will wait because I really want to end this live because it makes me nervous to observe it on the small time frame. I will just leave it for now. But this whole idea that it could not break this trend line, let's see, in 1 hour dodges, it's not sure whether it should go up or it should continue to go down. On 4 hour, some rejection but nothing for now. 30 minutes, again dodges, nothing. Dodges means that there is a battle between buyers and sellers, so it's still not ready for the price to go in some direction. 15 minutes, again you can see very good corrective, not impulse, because this is more like a correction, small and steady. It fulfilled the gap, it reaches the volumes here. I don't know, guys, it is rejecting still from this trend line. I draw it. There is an order block, but it fulfilled, actually the order block fulfilled the profit. My expectations are still bullish. If it didn't happen, it's probably because they will try to push the price down, of course. But for now, I think that there are many things that are bullish for now. But of course, if the whole trend is super bearish, I might be wrong, because they just might to continue to push the price down, but you can return to see that there is no such thing like 700 pips fall and not correction at all. So there is always a correction. These things here are one strategy that I'm working on, that gives entries every single day, and I'm still testing it, because this is the strategy. This strategy will be the strategy that I will make the challenge $20 to $1,000, and it gives entries almost every day. Dude, your mono dialogue makes trading with you amazing. Hope to be here next time. Yeah, I will start to trade every day, because guys, you know that not every day is a winning day, but you can learn. If you actually want to learn, I think from these live sessions you can learn much about trading, because you can see that I'm showing you what I'm looking, how I'm looking it, how I'm analyzing it, and stuff like that, which are pretty important if you want to be a trader. Look guys, this trend line is absolutely badass. It didn't let the price break it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times right now. 6 times guys for a 5-minute trend line. This is, I don't know, this is like a Terminator of trend lines. And still the price is getting rejected. I don't know. I don't know. My forex. Oh, colleagues. Okay, guys. As we can see, 6 times. This trend line is absolutely. But there is something really important. If it breaks it, that means that the price will probably continue to move upwards very well. So I think that we still have to wait here. We should wait a little bit. But now again it's getting rejected, and DXY is getting rejected. Yeah. You just have to close with the whole candle on 5 minutes, and I think it will start to go up. We get lucky first time. It reaches the volumes here, this red candle. It didn't reach the stop loss. In the beginning I told you it's better to put the stop loss above here, but it's more than 120 pips, so I don't like huge stops like that. Guys, if this breaks the trend line, I will make a backflip. I'm kidding, I can't do it, but I will be very, very happy. Yeah, I know. I watch it also on 1 minute. I watch trend lines and stuff like that, and I don't really like it for now. The way it's still getting rejected every time it reaches a trend line. Meanwhile, it made an order book. It fulfilled the profit of the order book. We actually could have collect 40 pips from the order book, but I didn't enter because I already have a second trade. Okay guys, I told you I'm like a captain of the ship. I will wait until it do something. I will be here, I will wait to see it, whether it will make our Monday starts with loss or it will make our Monday starts with very good profits. Let me check. Okay, DXY. DXY just don't want to continue fall. That is all I can say right now. Let me check the other goats. Absolutely the same there. In a correlation, it looks like they're in a good correlation because they're absolutely the same. Euro to US dollar. Pound to US dollar. Some zone. Pound to GPY. Okay, pound to GPY starts to go up. This is not very good. As I told you, they are in a opposite correlation most of the time. So when the GPY to the GBP to GPY goes down, the gold is going up, and opposite. If this fucker is going up, gold probably will go down. But let me see what's the word. We are is this word like that in English? Masochist. 5 minutes it looks like getting rejections, but in 1 minute there is something like let's say like this trend line. It's like a breakout and a test. So no, 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 no. Don't buy now. Don't buy now. You can buy if the price breaks here and closes with a whole candle at least on 5 minutes. At least. Then you can enter a buy. For now, it's still, you can see how many rejections on this trend line. The price don't have volumes and power to break it. So eventually I still believe that the price will break the trend line. But it might not happen. What I am believing and what is happening are two different things. Selling pressure is getting weak. Yeah, I also observed that, so I wish and I hope that soon we will see the breakout, because it starts to look like that the trend line is resisting, but there is also no this huge selling pressure. As I told you guys, you can see first time the price grabs this liquidity probably and falls down. After that, second time huge candle, third time huge candle, fourth time huge candle, fifth time huge candle, sixth time. This is very, 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 very strong, very strong trend line. That's not good. At this moment, if this candle closes like that, it's not good, because you can see the 15-minute candle again is making very strong rejection. Do you know that I saw something right now? Have you heard about triangles? 2, 3, 4, 5. I wanted to show you. This is triangle right now, guys. Not only trend line, but so now we'll see when we have a breakout on some of the sides of the triangle. This will be where the movement will continue, probably. What trade should I enter now? At this current moment, you shouldn't do absolutely anything. You should wait super patiently to see what will probably happen right now. I hate some of the days. I really hate these London sessions because they are super slow, and as you can see, they are super frustrating. The thing that just bothers me a little again is that the price may reach the bottoms here and to make a rejection from there. But as I told you, I don't like this extension of the stop losses, because it cannot continue to go down, and we just to extend hundreds of pips stop loss, and what's the point? Just extending the losses. So but guys, still it looks like there is no buying pressure. This might trick us, so be careful. If you have entered second trade, manage it, because bullish falling wedge. I don't know, guys. Probably it will continue to go down because we would like it to go up, but the reality is that you can see so many rejections. This means that there is no buying pressure at all. They're trying, but the sellers are probably more. And probably gold will just continue to fall down. We had some good moments. We had some moments of expectation, but in reality it will maybe just continue. You can see that dollar is not moving much. I don't know. Guys, we are 2 hours in this live session. Yeah. Absolutely no selling, no buying pressure, guys. I don't know whether it's better to actually leave the trade, not to wait to hit our stop loss or wait for it. I don't know for now. Of course, I will wait, but I don't know. Balls of steel. Yeah. Balls of steel, but just when it's not going good, it is visible. No pressure, no volumes. Actually, there are neither pressure for selling right now. You can see how slow the market is. Come on, DXY, give us some hope. Yo man, you're with Digit Creative Agency. You're very interesting, man. Are you listening to what I'm saying? Are you being in the life? Don't enter into trade right now. If the price breaks the trend line, enter then. If it breaks on the downside, you can try to sell it. Now it's in the middle of nowhere. Don't do anything. Stop asking, man. Listening to what we're saying. Euro pound. This one. This one. This morning, guys, I thought to myself, oh, look how good it forms for buy. It fulfilled the gap, very strong resistance on this candle, huge pressure, and I was like, okay, it will break the trend line, and immediately starts to go down, and from there it is like a hell, because we have been less than 10 pips on profit and from there only going down, down, down. Oh. Let's see seventh time. What will happen on the seventh time on this trend line? Okay, let's make it like that. Ah, no. this is the more important trend line. So let's see what will happen 7th time. We can bet. How do you maintain a good psychology when you trade? This is really important question, because I try to make it funny, but as I told you, it's not funny, because real hard-earned money are put into this. So psychology is really important, guys. Last week, if you saw, I wasn't entering live sessions. That was because in the last couple of days, last week also, I had losses, and these losses, what was the word? But let me just check the word. Okay, yeah, they influenced me, and I even had a moment where I was like, okay, am I actually looking right at the chart? Because whatever I am entering, it starts to go in the opposite direction. So probably I don't look at the chart as I should. Even today, guys, I made the analysis, checked for everything, and probably, I don't know, probably I rushed to enter this trade, I don't know, but you can see immediately starts to go down. So the market has changed in the last couple of weeks, and the truth is that the strategies that I was using to enter the market in the morning, I mean in the London session, are not giving the good results that they were giving. And I had some tough time last week when I was not sure whether I should enter the trade, whether I should not enter it, or the price just hit my stop loss and then fulfill the take profit. Try not to think about it too much. Read good books, talk with people, go out, enjoy life, because losses are part of trading. And psychology, if you get too emotional about it, you have to know that losses are inevitable part of the trading process and your trading journey. And if you start to think too much about them, you will get fucked up. That's the truth. That's why I'm talking, and even today when I post the trade in the group, I was like, use proper risk management, because if you use proper risk management, even if it hit your stop loss, the next trade, okay, in this case the stop loss was bigger, but good that it was bigger. But most of the times trades are 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward. So next trades, if you are using proper risk management, even if it hit your stop loss, with the next trades we enter, you will return the losses. That's other thing. Now I told you I'm like a captain of the ship. I will stay in this live because I entered the trade. I have entered 2 trades actually. I have other entry right here, and that's why I'm going to stay to see what will happen. But otherwise, if I was like today here alone in this office, this is pretty annoying, man. So I would enter the trade. I would thought probably, if I'm not on the computer, I would put the stop loss right now, probably on the second entry, on the break even I mean, and I will go out to drink some coffee or do something else, because if I just observe it here, you can see on every candle we starts to get emotional. Oh, it's rejecting now. Oh, it's breaking out, but in the last seconds the candle may return and you start to get emotional. That's why it's better not to watch it, not to observe it. And yeah, we are breaking the trend line. But look, let's wait to see a good breakout, because still no good buying or selling pressure at all. Seventh time on the trend line. Let's see guys, because we are now 5-6 pips from the entry on the first trade. And you can see this motherfucker don't have the power again, guys. Don't have the power again. If this 1 hour candle closes like that, like an engulfing candle, it will be good, because this formation, no matter that there are two dojis, is called morning star candle. Red candle, doji, and a green candle engulfing. This is a good sign that probably the price will make some, at least some upper movement. I want to see it above our first entry, because it played a role. Let me see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, fourth time. Our entry is like a resistance zone, guys. Look, first time, second, third, and now it's the fourth time where the price is being rejected from our entry. Really nice. Trend line. Give us a profitable Monday. Don't do me like that, fucker. Sorry, guys. I tried to make it funny. And of course, why not? Seventh time. Ooh, here is starting some storm, probably. Seven times, guys. I didn't actually see trend line in the near past that could get the 7 rejections. That's the truth. That's absolutely the truth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, 6, but not 7. 7 times. This would be funny if it's not frustrating. We are, guys. Oh my god, we are 2 hours and something in this live session, and there are 40 people that staying with me, guys. Thank you really much. Do you say trade GU? What does this mean, GU? Because now does this mean British pound to US dollar? Because if it does, I have a zone here that the price actually tests. Yeah, GBP USD. Guys, it will start to rain outside. I could not manage to go to grab a coffee. I have a coffee machine here, but I actually didn't make the effort to go to fix it because it is broken. So I go to buy a coffee from the coffee shop. Guys, I want to highlight it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This actually could be 2 resistance. 7. This is something that is not, we don't see every day, guys. This is absolutely stupid. So at this moment, again, guys, I start to think that this will trick us and it will fall. Yeah, man, trade. If you want trade, I'd do whatever you think it's good for you. Seven times, guys. Probably I should enter a sell here and collect 30, 40 pips or something like that, but and this, guys, is not good. This already is not good. You can see these huge candles are not predicting anything good for us. This was really frustrating. What a stupid trading session, guys. Second. back here. And it starts to make a breakout, guys. And I think that this is the end of our buying expectations. GXY is also falling. This is funny, guys. I don't really know. I actually get a little bit frustrated from this stupid market. So, I don't know. Now what? We'll test the trend line for 8th time. Or it will make a test on this broken trend line. Make it lively and makes us feel good in trading. Thank you. Thank you, but we're here for profits and today it's not good. How should I manage my emotions? We talked about this a couple of minutes ago, guys. Man, best thing is to go manage your risk properly and go outside and don't observe the trade. When you decide to enter a trade, you just stick to this trade, stick to your strategy, believe your strategies, follow risk management, and And that's it. Don't overthink it, because if you start to overthink it, you definitely get emotional, get frustrated, get angry, and this of course will not bring you anything good. Now again, not a bad candle, but it's still like testing the breakout on the smaller time frames. So yeah, guys, this is bearish. I mean, the pressure is obviously more bearish. My profits have covered my first entry, so it's a profitable Monday. Good for you, man. Good for you. I also could have booked very, very good profits, but I didn't thought that the price will test this trend line 8 times. Now it's going for the 8th time, and it will not have the power to break it. I haven't seen something happening in the near future. And again, let me show you this small trend line on 1 minute. It is making a breakout and a test, so it will probably continue. Push down. Now, other thing is that this triangle makes a fake breakout, and now it might the actual breakout to happen on the downside. But I don't know. I still want to see it go and grab this liquidity, because I don't know if it's possible first to break these bottoms right here and then to go up. I don't know. That was my expectation for today, but for now it's not going good. Or probably I just overthink it when there are so many rejections and not buying pressure. Probably I should just get out of the trade and look for selling. Obviously, I thought that this Monday the market will be more attractive. I mean, with the opening, the market will be with more volatile, with bigger movements, but that's not the case, and it's actually pretty boring market. It forms something like a tunnel here. And we are 20 pips from the entry from the first trade. Oh. Absolutely no buying pressure. It gets actually starts to get dark outside. It's so this storm will be huge probably. Eighth time, guys. Eighth time. Motherfucker, breakout already. Break the fucking trend line. Do it, motherfucker. Excuse me, guys, for swearing, but I'm already frustrated. I want to hear it. Motherfucker. Breakout. Breakout. I want to hear alarms. Oh. You tried to play me this morning. Come on. Put some volumes in it. Come on, motherfucker. Guys, are you here? Are you here with me? Fly upwards. Fly upwards. Come on. Don't return. This would be, guys, the longest live I've ever made. It will probably reach 3 hours now, which is brutal. I get dehydrated and I am like abstinent on caffeine, but I will stick around to see what will happen, because this motherfucker will try to trick me. Just a second, I'll be right back. What happens? Starts to go back down. Oh my god. This is stupid market to get involved in. I can pretty much say this. They are trying to push it up, but they don't have the power. Yeah. Can I add another position if candle close above the trend line? Just closed my second position. Blow. I blowed my account on Monday. How you blowed your account, man? I don't get it. If you blew your account, this is because you probably put many trades or many entries with higher volume that you should put, and this leads to the question why are you entering, why are you watching these lives, because I speak about this 2 minutes ago, and I don't get it. I don't get it. Come on, starts to go up now. Come on, extend to the upper side and let's make like a break test and come on, give it to me, give it to me. Okay, our entry is the resistance. Wait, damn. Can we look for sell at 2411? Is it a good selling zone? Uh, Probably, but I think that the price will grab this. If the price starts to go up, it will break this area like a liquidity zone, because this is the top from Asian session, and most of the times the price breaks it as a liquidity. So uh, you can see it like a potential sell zone, but not with a pending order, not with a limit order, but to wait to see a rejection and eventually to enter a trade. Guys, I have to tell you that if this trade reaches the take profit, you should give me some credentials, because I am frustrated to here watching this stupid market doing nothing but playing with my entry. You can see my entry: first rejection, second, third time, fourth time. And we are 3 hours. It will become 3 hours in a minute from the start of this trading session. This stupid trading session. Why even I entered a trade this morning, I don't know. But it actually looks good. Uh, if you are with me from the beginning, you saw the analysis. It actually looks good, because uh, here there were volumes, there was a gap, the price breaks the Asian low. In other market situation, this would be a perfect entry zone, in my opinion. Of course, I might be wrong, I don't know. But in these other cases, this is a good buying option. You can see the price made first from the gap, very good rejection. After that, it reaches the volumes, very good rejection, and still don't want to go up. But now it actually breaks the trend line. It is like testing it. I hope to see at least some movement here, so people from the group that haven't entered second time to collect some profits, and I to be like a good Monday, the good guy on the Monday, not the villain with the losses. So that's what I wish to happen now, but if I have to be honest, guys, I still don't see it because there is absolutely no buying pressure. Absolutely no buying pressure. You can see this is funny. It's actually funny. If it wasn't sad, it would be funny. Lay down. I should have buy me some water. My mouth is dried already from talking 3 hours, guys. 3 hours live session, and oh my god. First entry have been less than 10 pips on profit once, and after that we are on loss. This is absolutely fucked up. And still, guys, no selling pressure, no buying pressure at all. Oh. The market don't like me today. Again, what should it do? It would go to break the bottoms or what? I don't know what to tell you guys anymore. That's the truth. I can tell you whatever gets on my mind, but I don't actually know what these fucking candles that are just going sideways are about to do. Probably probably it will just I actually don't know. It starts to go good. I actually have an idea, but it's not good for us because we are for buy. I am for buy. But so many rejections, breakout and a rejection, immediate rejection again. It's speaking to me that the price will just fall down. That's the truth. That's the truth, guys. Probably I rushed here to enter the trade, and from there on eventually here was a potential buy, but so probably that's the case here. Probably I rushed up today and should have waited for a breakout because it actually didn't happen. And the market just tricked me. And now I'm pretty sure that the price eventually will fall to hit the stop loss, and then we'll make some huge upper movement. Motherfucker. Yeah, it will continue to go down. Yeah, guys, gold is looking like it will go down. Now, if you have entered a second trade, and you haven't exited, I think now is the moment. So yeah, guys, what to say? It's not looking good. I did the analysis in front of you, so everything looks possible for buy, but they are still pushing. I didn't, in my entire career, probably I haven't seen a 5-minute trend line to not be broken 8 times in few hours. So probably I just tricked myself into thinking that this will weaken the trend line and it will eventually break out in some moment. But as you can see, there is absolutely no buying pressure, so probably we will end up with stop loss being hit. So guys, if you have entered a second trade, you would be probably on the entry. If you decide, you can exit it now. If not, you can wait a little bit for them to get equal and to enter on break even, to exit to exit on break even. But for now, it's actually getting some resistance here, but no, this will not be good. So okay, I don't think that there is a reason to continue this live session, guys. If you manage to collect some profits, because some of you said that already close the trade, good for you guys, but the market is absolutely awful. You can see this movement right here is absolutely awful. This trend line, funny trend line, 8 times. Rejection from volumes, from gap, from everywhere. GXY breaking the trend line, falling. Nothing can bring the price up, so probably it will just continue to sell. Yeah, if you decide, you can try to sell it. I will not try to sell it right now, because for me, I just don't like it. So sorry guys, not good start of the Monday for me, but as Trading XAU, we have very good setups again, but it is how it is. What do I think? I don't know, man. Probably it is for selling, but look, GXY is making like a still test on this breakout on the trend line. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, this trend line is legit. Also, this is the lowest point right now. Probably you can catch 30-40 pips, but in these areas here, I just don't think that it will now get the breakout, but I don't know. It was a good learning session because you saw how many emotions and stuff like that, but probably I just rushed again. Damn. I probably should wait for a good breakout to enter buy, not just from the gap here, and that entering here leads to all this stuff. But sometimes it's like that. Sorry again, guys. The price is 40 pips from the entry. If you want, you can exit now. We will continue later. I will definitely. That's my job. Try to recover this on the New York session. So again, guys, the challenge 20 to 1000 is very, very risky, and we will do up to 1 trade a day, and there will probably be days without trading. So I'm doing some back tests right now, and when I'm ready I will announce it. Definitely this will be the work of my career. So I'm also very, very interested in doing it, because this will, if I manage to do it, this will put me way ahead. So guys, now it's making a breakout, and on the test you can probably enter sell if you want, but you have to wait also, because it might be, I don't know. I will end this right now, because definitely today this is not my market, and I don't want to mislead you more than that. So guys, thank you for being with me. Sorry that the trade didn't turn in our favor, but you can see this market is absolutely awful. This is just a side movement, and this is it. Okay, bye for now. See you later, guys. Thank you for being with me.